Fragments. By the end of this tutorial, you will be familiar with the following terms: fragment, dependent clause, and phrases. A fragment is an incomplete sentence. A fragment can be in the form of a phrase, which is words put together, for example, such as snowball, munch bunch, and anime. Or a fragment can be a dependent clause, because I can meet people. If we look at these, the first one, such as snowball, munch bunch, and anime, we ask ourselves, what do a snowball, food, and anime have anything to do with each other? What about them? In other words, this fragment right here, it needs more information in order for it to make sense and become a complete sentence. Again, as a dependent clause, we have because I can meet people. This is still an incomplete sentence. Why? Do what with the people? We have unanswered questions that we need to answer. Phrase is a fragment. A fragment may be a phrase or a group of words. A fragment needs a subject and a predicate in order to become a sentence. So, on our original fragment, the one that we had before, such as snowball, munch bunch, and anime, we can add Leiden has many clubs in order for it to become a sentence. So if we read it again, we read Leiden has many clubs, such as snowball, munch bunch, and anime. Now we have a subject, we have a predicate, and then we have a complete thought. We also have dependent clauses as fragments. A dependent clause may be a fragment. It does have a subject and a predicate, but it does not express a complete thought. It needs more information in order to become a sentence. For example, the fragment that we had earlier, because I can meet people, if we add more information in front of it, I should join a club, then it becomes a complete sentence. So let's read it out loud. It says, I should join a club because I can meet people. So here we have a subject and a predicate and a complete thought. Thus the fragment has become a sentence. From a fragment to a sentence. Remember, a sentence needs to have a subject and a predicate, and it needs to express a complete thought.